What's up, everyone? So if you've ever found yourself staring into the fridge trying to figure out what to make for dinner, or just feeling stuck in the same routine every week, HungryRoot might actually be worth a look. It's not your typical meal kit or grocery delivery. What makes HungryRoot different is that it acts more like a personal food assistant, using AI to learn what you like, what you need, and then building a weekly grocery plan that actually fits your life. So instead of giving you strict meal plans or a one-size-fits-all approach, it focuses on personalization. Whether you're gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, or just trying to eat healthier without spending hours cooking, everything gets tailored to your preferences right from the start. And since their whole philosophy is built around the idea that healthy is personal, you're not boxed into one way of eating. You get a mix of groceries and recipes, and you're still in full control of what shows up in your cart each week. Let's check it out. So, HungryRoot launched back in 2015, and while it started as a healthy food brand, it evolved into something way more practical, an AI-powered personal grocery. Now, instead of just offering their own snacks and meals, they use predictive tech to recommend groceries and recipes tailored to your lifestyle. Whether you're avoiding dairy, cutting back on sodium, or you just want faster meals, it all gets built into your plan. And because it gets smarter the more you use it, switching away once you're dialed in feels like starting over, which makes it a really great long-term solution. They've also expanded beyond their own products, partnering with popular brands like Annie's and Unreal to build out a full grocery catalog. So instead of just a few preset meals, you get breakfast, lunch, snacks, and pantry staples, all personalized to how you eat. The goal isn't just to deliver food, it's to simplify your week. It saves you time, cuts down on waste, and helps you stick to your health goals without the planning headache. And to keep quality consistent, they follow what they call the root standard. Every item has to be made from whole ingredients, easy to prep, and genuinely tasty. They also avoid artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and other additives, so eating clean feels simple, not stressful. So HungryRoot works through a simple three-part system. First, you start with some questions: how many people, your goals, how much you spend on food weekly, and what types of food you're interested in. Depending on your answers, the system builds your weekly plan. Next, their AI tool, Smart Cart, fills your cart with groceries and recipe suggestions based on your profile, your past ratings, and what similar users have liked. It's not just filtering, it's actually predicting what will work best for you. So instead of planning everything yourself, your meals are basically done for the week. From there, you've got full control. You can swap items, add more, or rework your whole cart using the weekly credit system. And after you've tried the meals, you can rate them, love it, like it, or never again. That feedback teaches the AI what to suggest next time, so your cart just keeps getting better. In terms of pricing, it starts around $60 a week for 4 servings, and just like other meal kit services, the price per meal gets lower if you order more. Shipping is always free once you hit the $70 mark. Now, the interesting part is that HungryRoot uses a flexible credit system instead of fixed meal plans. You get a set number of weekly credits to spend on anything you want. Full dinners, snacks, or individual grocery items, each has its own credit value. This lets you build your box freely. Unused credits also roll over automatically, and if 2 recipes share an ingredient, you're only charged for it once, stretching your credits further. So if you want to try HungryRoot, I put a link for you in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and sometimes we do have special deals there. And just a quick heads up, it is an affiliate link. This means we may get a small commission if you sign up, which is a huge help and allows us to keep supporting the channel. Now, what makes HungryRoot stand out is how flexible it is. It's not just a meal kit, and it's not a grocery delivery. It's both, but without the usual rigid setup. Instead of tightly portioned ingredients for one recipe, you get full-size groceries like a full bag of spinach or a pack of tortillas. You can follow their recipes or just cook your own way. That flexibility is a big win if you don't want to be locked into a strict plan. The dietary filters are really thorough. You can set broad preferences like vegetarian or pescatarian, and also handle specific needs like gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. You can even exclude ingredients you can't eat like peanuts, egg, garlic, or soy. And those preferences guide every single recommendation right from the start. Most meals just take 10 to 15 minutes thanks to pre-chopped veggies, ready-made sauces, and fully cooked proteins. It's faster than takeout and way healthier. Everything arrives in recyclable packaging. The box, the paper cooler, even the food protector are 100% curbside recyclable, and the ice packs called Enviro Ice are biodegradable and can actually be used to water your plants, which is a nice touch. Now, on top of that, the system's designed to cut food waste. You only get what you actually use, so you're not stuck with random extras sitting in the fridge. Ingredients overlap across meals, so you're not buying a single-use item that's just ending up going to waste. So Now that you've seen how HungryRoot works, here's what that actually means day to day. And honestly, this is where it really delivers. The biggest win, just how much time it saves. No more meal planning, list making, or last minute grocery runs. HungryRoot builds your plan and has everything delivered to your door. And once that mental load is off your plate, it's a big difference. In fact, 96% of users say they feel less stressed, and it's easy to see why. The meals naturally lean towards healthier choices, mostly plant-based, clean ingredients, and simple prep. Over 90% of users say they feel healthier and more energized, and since the system adjusts to your goals, like high protein, low sodium, or weight loss, it helps you stay on track without overthinking it. You also waste less because ingredients are shared across recipes and based on what you'll actually use. You're not tossing out random leftovers or half-used items. And that could lead to real savings. HungryRoot estimates up to 40% compared to your usual mix of groceries and takeout. And to keep things fresh, the system rotates in new recipes, ingredients, and brands each week. So even if you're in a bit of a cooking rut, you're not stuck eating the same meals over and over. Now, if you're trying to eat a little healthier but don't want to be locked into the same dinner routine every week, the difference between HungryRoot and a traditional meal kit like HelloFresh is pretty easy to spot once you see how they work. HungryRoot feels more like a smart grocery shortcut. It builds a cart for you based on your food preferences, and you can use the ingredients however you like. So you're getting total flexibility, groceries, quick meals, and snacks all in one.
HelloFresh is more structured. You pick from a weekly menu and they send pre-portioned ingredients for those exact recipes.
It's great if you want clear step-by-step meals, but there's not a lot of wiggle room. With HungryRoot, as I mentioned earlier, you can filter by everything from general diets like vegan or dairy-free all the way down to avoiding specific ingredients that you don't like, such as tomatoes, chili peppers, or mushrooms. And you can fully edit your cart every week to make it exactly what you need. HelloFresh offers some customization, like swapping proteins, but overall, it's a set system, easy to use, just not ideal if you have a dietary restriction or like more control in the kitchen. So basically, HungryRoot is best if you want flexibility that fits your specific food goals, while HelloFresh is great if you want simple dinners without any planning. So all in all, do I recommend HungryRoot? Absolutely, yes. But the key is to not think of it as just another meal kit. It's more like a personal grocery assistant. It learns what you like, fills your cart with groceries and quick meals that match your goals, and then gives you the flexibility to use everything how you want. If you're short on time, want to eat better, and are just tired of the planning and the shopping, it's one of the best, most flexible tools out there. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to try any of the companies mentioned in this video, you can use the links in the description below to get the best current deal available. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.